Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna make my own forest. This is the toy animals that I collect from my playroom. And also I have this and this to make my grass and trees. And I have this for making the trees don't fall down. And now we're gonna make it now. Well, I put all of the rocks here. So now I'm gonna put the rocks here and right there. I'm gonna put this here. I'll put this here. And there. I'll put this here.
Why?
Because I like. And well, where I will put this? There. And now I'm finished with my project. Here's the trees. Here's the zebra eating that. And here's this one. Here is my forest. Here I have a zebra and a baby deer and a mountain goat and a lion. We should protect the forest because it's their home, and we should not kill the animals because they are not food. We should not kill them because they need a home. And also, if we kill them, there will be no more animals. We should protect them. Bye!